Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 9 mathematics. We will continue exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. The instruction is given here using suitable identities to find the following products. Question number first, second, third all are same. So we will solve question number first, that is x plus 4 into x plus 10. Student, we have already learned in identity x plus a into x plus b. We have already learned this identity. What is the value of x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay, student? So here, suppose considered 4 as a and 10 as b. So what we will, x plus 4. Suppose on the place of 4 we are writing here a. On the place of 4 we are writing here a, and the place of 10 we are writing here b. So x plus a into x plus b. What is the formula here? X square then plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now we are changing the value of a and b with 4 and 10. So on the place of a, wherever it is a, we all places of a we are changing with or exchanging with 4. Here also a, so we are adding here 4. And on the place b, what we have considered b as 10. So we are adding here 10. Now we will solve it. Square of x plus 10 and 4, 14x plus 10 4 ja 40. That is our answer. In the same way you have to solve question number second and third. Now look at question number 4 and 5, both are same. In question number 4, it is given that y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. We have to find the product y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. So as we know students, a plus b into a minus b. When a plus b is multiplied with a minus b, the result will be a square of a minus a square of b. So let's consider y as a and 3 by 2 as b. So we can write here, what is the product of a plus b and a minus b? The product of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay students? The product of a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So on the place of a, students, we are writing here y square, because we have compared the y square with a. And on the place of b, we are writing here 3 by 2, because we have compared the 3 by 2 with b. 3 by 2. So when the power is power over power, we have to multiply the power. Y to the power 4, and the square of 3 is 9 and the square of 2 is 4. So the result will be y to the power 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay friends? In this way you can solve question number 5 also. Now moving on, next question, question number second. But before we have to clean it. Now in question number 2, students, it is given that evaluate the following following products without multiplying directly. Okay students, the first question is 103 into 107. Now we can also write it 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Just students, we have learned an identity x plus a into x plus b. What is the product of x plus a into x plus b? The product is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So we will consider here 100 as x and 3 as a and 7 as b. So what is the formula here? The product of x plus a into x plus b. The formula is x square, then a plus b into x, and then plus a into b. Now we have to change the value. What is the value of x? 100. So on the place of x we are writing here 100. Okay students. And what is the value of a? 3. So on the place of a we are writing here 3. And what is the value of b? 7. So on the place of b we are writing here b. Now what is the square of 100? The square of 100 is 10,000. Now 7 3, 10 into 100 plus 7 3 are 21. Now 10,000 and 100 tens are 1,000 plus 21. So the result will 11,021. The result will be 11,021. Look one more question students here. Question number 3 of the same one. In third number question, 104 we have to multiply it with 96. So we can also write it 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. Now one more identity also we have learned students, that a plus b when multiplied with a minus b, the result will be a square of a minus a square of b. The same identity we are going to use here. Consider a 100 as a and 4 as b. So here the a plus b and a minus b, you can also make it clear. Now when a plus b is multiplied with a minus b, the result will be a square of a minus a square of b. Now what we have considered as a? 100. So on the place of a we are writing here 100. And what we have considered as b? We have considered 4 as b. Now what is the square of 100? The square of 100 is 10,000 and the square of 4 is 16. So the result will be 84 here. 9,984. Any confusion students? In this way you can solve question number 2. Now moving on, next question, question number 3. Look here. Using appropriate identities. The first is here 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. As we know students, a square plus 2ab plus b square is also c as square whole square of a plus b, that is equal to a plus b into a plus b. In the same way we have to solve it. We can make it the square of 3x. The 9x square is a square of 3x. The y is also a square of y. Now here we can 6xy we can also write in the form of 2 into 3x into y. Now if we consider 3x as a and y as b, then it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So on the place of that we can write here the whole square of 3x plus y, that is equal to 3x plus y into 3x plus y. In question number 2 it is also same, but there you have to use the identity a square minus 2ab minus b square. Now look at question number 3. In question number 3 it is given that a square of x square minus y square by 100. One more identity we have learned, the square of a square minus b square. In the factor form we can write it a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So now look here students. X square also written in the form of a square of x, and y square by 100 also written in the form of y by 10 square. Now consider x as a and y by 10 as b. So a square minus b square, that we can write in the factor form x minus y by 10 into x plus y by 10. So in this way, using these two identities, you can factorize such type of polynomials. Okay students, so you have to complete question number 1 to 3 in this video. In my next video, we will solve the rest question of this exercise. Thank you students.